Welcome to our weekly Musar video blog. There's a statement in the Talmud regarding chesed, kindness. It says the following: Rabbi Simloi said that the Torah begins with chesed, kindness, loving kindness, acts of kindness, and it ends with chesed. Where does it begin with kindness? Because in the beginning it says that God made clothing for Adam and Chava, for Adam and Eve. They were in the Garden of Eden. They ate from the tree. They made that mistake, and they found themselves to be naked. And God decided to clothe them. And where in the end of the Torah do we find that God did an act of chesed? He buried Moshe Rabbeinu. He buried Moses. The question is, we are told that the very act of creation is an act of chesed. God created the world. That was an act of kindness. So when Rabbi Simloi wanted to tell us that the Torah began with chesed, why didn't he just say it began with chesed because the act of creation itself was an act of chesed? I think the answer here will shed a light on what is real chesed. See, to do something for somebody else that I like doing, that I feel comfortable doing, that's a great thing. But that's not the real test of chesed. Chesed is when it's difficult. So imagine, here it is, Adam and Eve. God says, don't eat from the tree. What happens? Adam and Eve eat from the tree. Now they feel themselves naked. God could easily say, you're naked? You need clothing? You got yourself into this mess. I told you not to eat from the tree. You didn't listen to me. If you would have listened to me, you wouldn't have this problem. Now you got yourself into this problem. You take care of it. You get your own clothing. God didn't say that. God said, okay, they went against me. They didn't listen. But you know what? They're in need. They have a problem. I'm going to help them. That's what real chesed is. So to say creation, well, there was no opposition there. God did it because God wanted to do it. But to say that he clothed Adam and Eve, even when they went against what he said, that's what real chesed is. To do something for someone else, even when I don't feel like it, even when they're doing something, they did something against me, but still right now they need the help, I'm going to do chesed. I think this is an important lesson to take to heart. The opportunities present themselves to do favors for people, even when we don't feel like doing it. That's the real secret to chesed. That's the real secret to growth.